Welcome, everyone, to the masterclass, a crucial topic in the world of personal finance today, the legality of credit repair. Well, in today's session, we're going to delve into some deep legal issues surrounding these companies, credit repair companies. While exploring this, it can be empowering, but it also can be really super boring because credit repair is not the most fun thing in the world. But you know what? Let's go through it really quick. Credit repair companies are businesses that offer to improve somebody's credit by challenging negative items on their credit report. The services that they offer may they can dispute inaccurate information, negotiate with creditors, and provide guidance on improving credit habits. Let's see the framework. Okay, so back in 1996, there was an organization act, a credit repair organizational act called CROA, Credit Repair Organizational Act. And this is regulated by the feds to prohibit and to provide guidelines for the companies to function. So let's go into a few of these things. Charging upfront fees for services rendered is a prohibited practice. That's what we're going through, prohibited practices. So if somebody, before they even provide you any kind of service whatsoever, before they give you a consultation, before they give you a credit analysis, before they go over any kind of service plan that they offer, if they're asking you for a fee, run away. That's illegal. They can't do it. Making false claims to their about their abilities to remove accurate credit or accurate, negative, or misinformation. They can't make any claims. They can't guarantee anything. So if they're guaranteeing that they can do X, Y, and Z in 10 days or 5 days, they can't guarantee that. So run away. This is a prohibited practice. Another one is advising customers to create a new credit identity. This is illegal. That is, if they're doing that, again, run away. This is a prohibited practice. The required disclosures are credit repair companies must provide consumers with written contracts detailing services, payment terms, and cancellation rights. Every customer has a right to cancel before their term is up. Um, they are they are they have the right. I'm trying to find the right words. They have the right to be to charge back a certain amount of money that where services have not been rendered. So say they sign a year contract with you, they can cancel after 6 months and receive half their money back, because if they paid up front, they can receive half of their money back because you have not rendered those services for that extended period of time. So those are a few things that we cannot do. Well, let's look at some red flags. Let's look at some scammers. See what these some of these scammers online will offer somebody. So, scams and predatory practices. Some companies exploit customers with false promises and deceptive practices. Lack of transparency. You want to run away from lack of transparency. If a customer or a company is trying to withhold information or to pressure you into signing a contract without fully understanding those terms, that is a red flag. Run away. High fees. Be cautious of exorbitant fees. I feel that my personal fees are reasonable, but there are some companies out there that are even asking even more than I do. So if these practices are being practiced, lack of better terms, if these are being practiced, then these are often violations of the law. So you want to run away from those things as well. How to identify a legitimate credit repair company? Research. Look at the company with positive track record, transparent pricing, and good Jesus and a good customer reviews. Google them, see what they've been doing. I know some companies have relatively. I know I googled some companies when I first started, and was looking for who's doing the best and who's doing the worst, and I found a few. Um, so do your research, find the company you want to deal with. Sometimes people speak well and they can sell a ketchup popsicle to you know a woman in white gloves, for those who know black or Tommy Boy. um, Other people maybe teach better. Some people have a better style of communicating. So don't it's also about who you like too. Consult Consultation. Schedule a consultation to discuss the situation and ensure the company's services align with your needs. If you want to work with a company and they're not aligning with what you need. If you need your student loans removed from your credit, and they're offering to fix your identity theft, they don't align. So you want to go with somebody who specializes in what you need. Don't hesitate to ask the company about their methods, fees, and their success rate. Their methods, fees, and success rate are very important. If they're not working ethically, okay, talking about their methods. If they're not working ethically, you don't want to be a part of that. You can find yourself in some litigation or some serious issues, so stay away from that as well. Um, their fees. You want to have a certain amount of comfort in the fact that the fees are not so terribly high that you can't afford, and you want to be able to have the company that works for you or works with you as well as for you. So typically, if you're in credit crisis and you have an issues with your credit, you are probably probably strapped. You don't have much cash to just give out to people. So if a company doesn't want to work with you, then that's another red flag you might want to run away from. Their success rate. Look online, see how successful they are. If they're posting things like what they've done for other people, then you can obviously you wanna go with a company that has a high success rate in their abilities. The alternative to a credit repair company, you have the right to dispute any inaccuracies on your credit report according to the FCPA, Fair Credit Protection Act. Yeah, yeah, I think that's what it is. The Fair Credit Protection Act. You have the right to dispute all of the credit report or the items on your credit for free. It's just really up to you whether you want to take the time to do that. It is a painstaking and time consuming process to write letters that are convincing and will uh, state your case as well as state consumer law and get it removed. So you need to be educated on those things, and you can do that for free, but you have to know what you're talking about. Invest in your education. Financial literacy is something that is sorely needed nowadays. Nobody knows how money works. Nobody knows how to get, uh, you know, how to be successful financially. And we've grown up making bad financial choices because nobody educated us as kids. And I'm a Gen X, and I was never taught. My mom and dad, baby boomers, they were never taught. So it's one of those things that over the years, financial literacy has gone way down, and now everybody's trying to go, hey, wait a minute, nobody knows how to do money, nobody knows how to deal with credit, stay away from credit, stay away from this. And we end up you know because we're uneducated, we end up in messes where that we find ourselves in messes that we can't get out of. So in conclusion, while credit repair companies can offer you a valuable service and improve your credit score, it is essential to navigate this industry with caution. So be careful of who you deal with. Not all people are trying to help you. A lot of people are trying to get your money and run. So just be careful of that. Be cognizant of the fact that this is a risky situation. So, recognizing the red flags and exploring alternatives and options are a uh, are an option, so you can make an informed decision to empower you on your journey towards financial wellness. So, thank you very much for joining this class, and I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Eric Peterson. I'm with Solid Foundation Financial, credit repair company that is doing business across the country. So, thank you so much. Be good to people. Have a nice day.